Funnily enough, Wriggle is like the most normal person that Cirno has like met out of Team 9. She just wants to, she just wants vengeance for bug kind. That's all that she wants. She's very like attached to her fellow bugs apparently. And Misty is kind of a freak.
Well, we eventually got out of that forest. Thankfully. Much later, Wriggle and Misty started hanging out with us as well. Those two were a little quirky at best. But all in all, they're somewhat pleasant to hang out with.
Okay, come on, Cirno. They're both not just them. All of you are kind of quirky. Come on.
Drop all of your equipment into the lake, as per usual. This next upgrade's gonna feel pretty nice.
Pretty nice, huh? Also, one of my homies gonna come back to me. Come on. Advent Cirno. Ice daggers. Cirno throws ice daggers that only damages frozen targets. That must deal a hefty amount of damage then. Cirno turns into Advent Cirno, increases attack and becomes immune to status ailments, lasts for 5 turns. And freeze sign, freeze atmosphere. Cirno makes the weather cold, makes all non-freeze resistant enemies weak to ice. That's like Rumia's darkness thing, but you know, but for ice, I guess. That costs 80 TP though, so well, I guess that makes sense because like if they're weak to ice, then they'll probably also be like easier to freeze, and that's probably pretty broken if that costed like less to like cast, you know. I'm assuming we have to go up here. Oh, if the wind ghosts were that bad, I can't even imagine how these ones are gonna be. Let's save because I learned my lesson the first time. Let's go. Slimed ghost. I didn't even check my stats. It's a ghost with slime attributes. Don't let it touch you with its icky body. Let's do the usual, I guess. Cirno is grossed out. Ugh. I forget what that does. I can kill them in a single, like, cold breeze though, so that by itself was already 2,500 tokens. Anyways, as I was saying, that alone probably gonna make this easier than the wind ghosts. They also drop XR features and XR sodas. How many tokens did they drop? 500. Damn. A ghost with slime attributes, good god, this is gross. I think I'm gonna barf. I shouldn't underestimate them though. If I do that, I'm probably gonna die. But they're actually doing less damage to me than the wind ghosts were doing to me when I had like my lower level equipment. Speaking of lower level equipment, how does my equipment look? Like right now, how does my stat? 2,268 attack and 2,672 defense. Jeez, no wonder I was like, no wonder they're not dealing as much damage. That being said, they almost just killed me right then and there, so I should not get cocky. Like the, you know, the wind ghosts.
Get over here.
I'm pretty sure no matter what, even if I freeze them with the freeze ray, they hit them with the freeze ray, they're faster than me, so I really have no choice but to use cold breeze and just like tank the debuffs and the damage. It's fine. I prefer this than doing the other strategy I was doing with the wind Why can't I properly say wind ghosts? Wind ghosts. The strategy I was doing with the wind ghosts earlier. so I'm gonna use this because I'm paranoid that they're gonna kill me. Yeah. I don't like slime. It's gross. And it gets everywhere. It's gross, irritating, and it gets everywhere. That's the quote I was trying to do.
Get over here.
Star Wars reference, baby. Everybody loves the prequels. And to that I say I agree, and to that I agree with, but to a lesser extent, because I haven't watched any of the Star Wars prequels. I haven't even watched any, like, I don't think I even watched any Star Wars related stuff besides, like, clips. So, I don't know what the hell I'm even saying right now. What I'm even talking about. Thankfully I don't have to deal with my mana getting drained over and over again. Killing these guys over and over again might just get me like the max amount of lollipops. Just by itself. Just them by themselves. Come on.
Get over here.
Although this is pretty tedious, but you know what? I like the rewards that come with it. Like, you know, the cool memories we shared that Cirno remembers of Team 9, their first meeting of all the members, the thing, Jingy.
Get over here.
Uh-oh. Is that gonna be the place we're gonna go to after we kill all the ghosts? Pretty sure we went in there before Dave was in there, but, I like the fond memories that Cirno had with Team 9.
Get over here.
They're nice, wholesome moments in this game, full of not so wholesome moments. But you know, like that moment in episode 1 where Alice straight up like molests Marisa. That was a thing that happened. Any of you remember that? I sure do. That scene still plays rent-free in my mind, even to this day. Alright. Just like how the original, like, sex scene between, like, Toy Freddy's head and Phantom Chica plays in my mind each and every day as well. But that's besides the point. The point is, the point is, a desolate place without any trace. It's only the cold wind I feel. It's me that I fight as I stand up and fight. The only thing I know for real, there will be blood shed. The man in the mirror nods his head. The only one left will ride upon the dragon's back, 'cause the mountains don't give back what they take. Oh no, there will be blood shed. It's the only thing I've ever known.
Get over here.
Losing my insanity, wondering have I gone insane? To find the truth in front of me, I must climb this mountain range, looking downward from this deadly height, and never realizing why I fight. Memories broken, the truth goes unspoken. I've merely forgotten my name. I don't know the season or what is the reason. I'm standing here holding my blade. A desolate place without any trace. It's only the cold wind I feel. It's me that I spy as I stand up and fight. The only thing I know for real, there will be blood shed. The man in the mirror nods his head. The only one
Over here.
left will ride upon the dragon's back. 'Cause the mountains don't give back what they take. Oh no, there will be blood shed. It's the only thing I've ever known. Bum 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 bum. Oh, you shivered in fear. You shouldn't deal any damage to me, that's right. Because you're a fucking pussy. You can't stand up to me, I'm the strongest. Nahaha. Take that. And the slime demon ghost awakens. Very cool. See, that one, I didn't even die once. I spent the majority of the time actually singing various songs. That's how badly of a shit that I didn't give. But anyways, that's besides the point. Okay. Point is, this was a lot easier than the wind ghosts were. This whole entire area. Let's hope the boss will be just as simple. At the Fuckboys Family Diner. Here we go.
Engage the demon ghost motherfucker.
The demon ghost with slime attributes. You definitely don't want this smelly piece of literal shit to touch you. Ugh. I would not want to be touched by this thing. Alright, Haze Candy MK2. Go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop that. Stop that, like, right now. Ice Spike. Ow. I've been poisoned. Thankfully I did that. Okay. Ooh, I can do this, actually. I can throw ice daggers at him. But he's thawed. You know what? Super ice kick. And, blind him. He generates a pool of slime. What? He's badly frozen. I'm gonna birthday present on myself and ice daggers. Oh. Wait a second. Badly frozen does not equate to being regularly frozen, so it doesn't get hit by my ice daggers. That's kind of whack, bro, but whatever. Ah, it's frozen. See it coming! I can shoot a marker at him. No longer blinded and he's thawed. Are you still? No, you got out. He got out. Okay. Let me fix that, shall we? I kind of want to see what Advent Cirno looks like. Is like though. Birthday present and X-Large pizza. I mean, might as well, right? Because he's almost dead. I mean, what could he possibly do to me that'll, like, one-shot me or something? He's like... Is he still frozen? Yeah, he's still, like... He's still he still has frostbite. Begins to transform. And she became Advent Cirno. Alright. Like, Advent Cirno is like a fan made like, thing, right? Based off of like the Advent Final Fantasy Advent like thing. That's like one of her fan on things. I don't exactly remember what the details were, but you know what? I'm gonna throw snowballs at him to kill him. I think that would be pretty funny. Also, you can't do that, jackass. I'm immune to status ailments. Dumbass. Ba 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 ba.
I fucking didn't drink my eyes.
Another demon ghost time to return to the lake and get upgraded by the lady of the lake again. I got puzzle piece D. My stats were increased again. And Tenshi's blessing got stronger again. The path in Gold Cross State has opened? The puzzle pieces began to merge. Got an ancient artifact. An artifact shaped like a pizza. What? 69. Nice. Wait. Gold Cross State. That's, what part of the city was that again? I forgot. This is Gold Star. It said Gold Cross, right? Not Gold Star. This is the city center. That's probably the last, like, this is probably the last place I need to go to, that place with the fire. Were they talking about Gold Star or Gold Cross? Gold Cross, okay. A path opened up. What does this artifact do? Seriously, what does it do? The artifact begins to spin. A cryptic message begins to display. Beware. Beware of the destroyer of the worlds. They are always watching and waiting for the opportunity to strike. Heed this warning, or your world will be doomed. Excuse me? My stats are getting ridiculous, but what the hell? Okay, I'm slightly freaked out. Let's get max things again. What path are they referring to? Hope Elementary School. Hope Elementary School? What the fuck?
Was that path always open?
No, it wasn't. Let me just... Now, here's the thing. Can I go to the Lady of the Lake and, like, get upgraded? And then do whatever this is? Or am I forced to do this? And, like, if I go to the Lady of the Lake right now, does this path get blocked again? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go right now. What is... Exotic butters!
Is that a basket of butters? What the hell is this doing out here? Well, I am kind of hungry right now, so might as well.
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters.
What the fuck?
Uh-oh. Exotic butters.
Are you shitting my ass? A basket of butters is a fucking boss battle? What the hell is going on in this godforsaken world?
exotic butters. 3. Oh god. A living basket of butters. What the actual fuck? Oh my god, it's the Exotic Butters song remix, I think. I think that's what that is in the background. What is going on, dude? Why is the Exotic Butters from Sister Location here? Well, first of all, I guess I should, I'm gonna try to freeze and bleed it. Because look at that HP. You really expect me to take that down? With, like, my attacks? Exotic Butters. Wait, so... I should be faster than that. It has 150 agility, so... This is a banger, though. Exotic Butters. I can use ice daggers, actually. And then use super ice kick. God, this is gonna take a while, since I don't really have too many options for inflicting bleed. I don't really get too many chances to inflict bleed, I mean. But I just love the smell of people being afraid. Ah. Ice Sign, Icicle Ball. All of them missed. Cirno, you are a dumb baka. You know what? I'm using my MK Candy 2s. This seems like a good place to use them. Why are you faster than me? Come on. Exotic Butters. Exotic Butters. God, he deals a hefty amount of damage. Actually, I should be wary. Exotic Butters. Exotic Butters. Yeah, I really don't know what to do, man. Blinding Blizzard. I think that'd be cool. Ice Spike again. We need to make him bleed. And Ice Daggers. Ace Candy MK2s. Come on. Spewed Smoke, that's okay. I'm gonna Ice Spike you again. Exotic Butters. Exotic Butters. This is a banger though. Best song in the whole entire OST right here. Butters. Exotic Butters. Butters. Exotic Butters. Butters. Exotic Butters.
Exotic Butters.
I probably could have made this easier on myself by going to get upgraded first. But again, I don't know if that would have locked this battle or not. Damn, that's a good amount of damage right there. Exotic Butters. Exotic Butters. Exotic Butters.
Exotic butters.
Heals itself exotically. 5,000 HP isn't that much HP. But still kind of annoying. I'm transforming into... I guess fire, Cirno. I mean, any damage buff would be pretty cool. Man, I'm gonna end up using all my haste candies. At this rate. Exotic butters. Ow! That was not nice. I'm on fire and then I'm equipping ice gauntlets. That sure as hell isn't a bad idea. That sure as hell is not a bad idea. That can't be a bad idea. He's stawed. Blinding blizzard him. And large pizza. Oh God! Well, I just got shat on by a bunch of butters. You know what? I'm gonna test the theory that I'm gonna test something. If I go back and get upgraded again, will that, like, battle be, like, inaccessible?
Ha ha, another great victory for us. Now, this next one is not going to give you any new skills, which kind of fucking sucks.
Oh, okay.
Do you still want to walk down the memory lane?
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, if you say so.
I sure hope I can do the boss battle after this, though, because the increased stats would...
You know, we've been hanging out for quite a while now and I realized something.
The increased stats from this would definitely help in the exotic butters
Our
battle.
group needs a name.
A name?
Yeah, a name. Something that has a nice ring to it. Is that so?
So no ka.
I think it's a grand idea. A name, huh? How about the Emissaries of Justice?
The
That will strike fear to our mighty foes.
The Emissaries of Justice? What?
Yeah. No.
Dang it. Oh, how about Servants of Love?
The Servants of Love.
Definitely not. Fear the power of darkness. I don't know what you mean by that, but no. We need a good name. Something that defines us.
How about 9?
9?
9?
Yeah, cause we're 9 times the strength of a person if we're all together. Or something.
Oh. Well, that gives a new, like, meaning to that name then. Team 9.
9. That's actually pretty fucking clever.
You think so? I like it. It's not bad, I guess.
You're Team 9.
Though, perhaps we can add something behind it.
Come. Then, Team 9. Yeah.
Yes, Team 9. It's the perfect name, guys.
From this point on, we are now known as Team 9. Team 9. The name that defines us. Because we're 9 times stronger if we're all together.
Fuck yeah.
Diazy, Rumia, Rigo, Mistia.
Something's the matter, kid.
Oh, it's nothing. It's just that I missed my team is all.
And why did you jump in without them?
So once you're done with this, what do you want to do?
After this whole ghost hunting bullshit and kicking Reimu's ass, it's pretty fucking obvious. I'm going back home. Back to my friends.
I see.
By the way, you're still upgrading my shit, right?
Yes, but only for one more time.
Then we better make it count.
Alright. I sure hope that didn't, you know, soft lock. Oh, I also get better equipment here, that's right.
Alright, kid. You're all set to fight the last others in front of Demon Ghosts.
Thanks, lady. Now, it's time to end this bullshit.
Alright, I'm saving in file 70 just in case. I mean, the path is still, it still looks open. It definitely still... It still looks like it's there. How many stats do I have? 4,168 attack, 3,520 defense. Oh my... Holy... Kanako?
Is that a basket of butters?
Yeah, we've been through this already.
Well, I am kind
It's
of
kind of a weird, but you know what, Cirno, you need to beat the shit out of it.
What the... Are you shitting my ass? A basket of butters is a fucking boss battle? What the hell is going on in this god?
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters. See, look at that. He deals way less damage now that I've got my new equipment. Let's do all this good shit. Not that I really need to lower his agility, but for some reason he has like moves that have priority over me, which kind of sucks. Exotic butters. Kick. Fit. Holy Jesus, that does a lot. That I'm doing a lot of damage now. Oh my god. Like a lot of damage. Look at that. That's kind of ridiculous, the amount I'm actually doing. What the hell?
Exotic butters.
Alright. Yeah, get frozen, bitch. What you gonna do now that I have my... buffed equipment? Yeah, come on, I got this. We've got this, Cirno. Of course, not gonna get too cocky. Damn. I love people being afraid. Do this and this. Get frostbite. He did not, in fact, get frostbite. Shit. Exotic butters. Deals good damage. Took no damage, that's right. Absolute none whatsoever. You're gonna die, exotic butters. Ice spike. Cryo shield just in case. He can still do damage to me if he doesn't have any buffs. Any debuffs. But otherwise, he can't really do shit to me. Exotic butters. Exotic butters. If I have a shield up like that, oh my god, that's a lot of damage right there. I can do this. Haze Candy MK2s. I'm just gonna call them Haze Candies from now on. It's kind of exhausting saying the full name out loud over and over again. Probably should have done that like a long time ago, actually. snowball barrage. Just throwing snowballs at him.
Exotic butters.
Exotic butters. Alright, he's frozen. He needs to let go of himself. Get it? Damn, the amount of damage I'm doing is still kind of insane. What the hell? Alright, you. Do you like being afraid? Tell me. Does a basket of butter such as yourself feel fear? Not sure if I'm gonna add that one to the counter, since it was like a different quote from a different like thing. But I might. Yeah, this would have been a way more difficult if I didn't have my buffs. Definitely. Alright. You almost dead. I didn't even have to transform into fire or Cirno or Advent Cirno. Because you're just that pathetic. Probably shouldn't trash talk him though, that would be a bad idea. He didn't feel fear that time. Man! But he is badly frozen, so that's good. He's badly frozen again. He's frozen and he's badly frozen. How does that, what would that look like? How does that work? Fucking weird. Oh, well. Get perfect freezed, bitch. Damn, exactly enough for Cirno to finish it off with her strongest quote-unquote attack. That's a lot of tokens, not that I needed it, but thanks anyways.
I'm never trusting a basket of butters ever again.
Never again. Cirno's stats are increased. That increased my stats? What in the hell? Alright. I'm gonna save in file 71. But I'm gonna have to restock on some things, notably my haste candies. It doesn't matter because I have so many things, so many tokens now. Okay, so we're gonna go into the center of the city and finish this once and for all. And it should be like right here, right? What, are you getting drunk here? I see those bottles in the corner there. Don't do that. What's wrong with you?
So, you must be the ultimate mastermind behind all of this bullshit. Your infestation scheme is at an end. I've already beat the shit out of your ghostly underlings and those other fucking demon ghosts. And now, you're the only one left. What do you say about that jackass? I figured as much.
Alright.
This will be your fucking retribution, you piece of fucking shit.
I faced a basket of butters.
Prepare yourself, motherfucker.
I don't think you're gonna be too tough to deal with. The demon ghost with flame attribute. Whoops, this is it, the final demon ghost. And since you're a living popsicle and shit, try not to get burned. Yeah. Bunch of resistances and immunities, huh? But here's the thing, you're not immune to bleed! So we're gonna do that. We're gonna exploit that weakness. Spewed flames. Ugh. You know what? The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give myself some donuts. And I'm gonna immediately transform into Fire Cirno. I think that'd be pretty... I think that'd be pretty important. Poisonous flames. What? Alright, let's go. Fire Cirno, here we go. Here we come. Equip your ice daggers and ice spike him. Damn, okay. Ice daggers. Damn! Damn! Cirno is so jacked. Yeah, that doesn't even feel like anything now, bucko. Because I am one of your kind now. And I love the smell of your cowardice. But you can still poison me, so that's not good. Oh god. I am Fire Cirno no longer. But that doesn't matter because I'm gonna try to transform again. I took no damage from that. None whatsoever. I'm gonna transform into Advent Cirno. And I'm gonna beat the hell out of you. Beat the shit out of you. Ice spike. Here we go. Ice daggers. Freeze ray. Damn! Damn! Cryo shield. And snowball barrage. Damn! That can't do shit against me because I am immune. Alright. It's time to bomb him. Icicle fall. It only hit once. God damn it. Fine, I'm gonna throw snowballs at you. Shield yourself, Cirno. Ugh. You're gonna die anyways. You can't defeat me. I have birthday presents galore. I have presents for days. Ice spike. Just love the smell of you cowering at my might. I'm gonna do the dumb icicle fall meme on you. Yeah! Get wrecked.
I fucking did it, drink my eyes.
We did it.
Finally.
My stats are increased
It's over.
again.
This city is now officially ghost-free.
Good job. I still have no idea what this ancient artifact does. But we did it. We did it, Cirno. We saved the city. Hello?
You did it.
Oh, it's just you. I didn't see your like sprite from the back, so I didn't realize who that was. Okay.
Finally, everything is back to normal. No longer shall I be annoyed by the undead. I don't know how to thank you.
Think nothing of it, lady.
So, I guess this is goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know we got off on the wrong foot, but you are no doubt the best goddamn partner I could ever ask for.
I could say the same thing, lady.
Aw.
Well, see you around, kid.
That was that was
There she goes. Now then, with nothing to stand in my way,
that was a sweet but short-lived relationship.
it's time I continue my search for Reimu fucking Hikore. I guess I'll start down there.
Down where? Well, first of all, I'm gonna restock on items. Again, the only boss fight in this whole entire like place, in this whole entire like section, was the first ghost. I can't believe that. Like, seriously? Boom, I guess. Down here, huh?
Are you fucktards done talking yet?
Oh, nice.
Need I remind you that we have a balloon holding son of a bitch to go after.
This is this is what happened in the previous like chapter of this of episode 3,
Huh? That sounded like...
but from Cirno's perspective. This is cool. No pun intended.
Over there? Not that way.
Let's go. Yep. This is what I saw before. You know?
Odd.
Before it transitioned into the team, into this episode. This is what I saw.
I could have sworn I heard Reimu fucking Hikore's voice from here.
After the Freddy Boy and Crew bit.
I guess I was wrong. No matter. Even if it takes hours or days. I will not stop looking. Until I find her.
Okay, Fall 72, because I did that. Nothing really happened between that and, you know. Would you like to view your scroll of records progress for chapter 3? Yes. I got all the things. I got all the fuckers. Did I check their things here? This is gonna cause one hell of a wet dream. Are you serious? Forget flipping skirts. A ghost this large can flip an entire fucking building. Demon ghost with slime attributes. God, the muck version was bad enough. Why did this ghost have to exist? A living basket of buckets. this were Gensokyo, I'd say it's a Tsukumogami, but this ain't Gensokyo, so yeah. The demon ghost with flame attributes. This thing is probably a fucking arsonist with all of them flame powers under its evil grasp. It says, don't get burned by this thing. That's all I need to say about this. I'd rather not have any info about this thing. Well, I got no other info but one. Let's just say trying to freeze a sentient hurricane isn't exactly the best idea. Well, I got no other info, but you know, it's a water ghost. You can manipulate cold. Do the math. No wonder this chomp was so easy. That makes sense. I have no further info on him. Fine. But he's the one that gave me that caused me the most trouble. These stories have been told. The Shrine Maiden faced against living surveillance equipments. The Robot Bear faced a trip through an alternate timeline. And the Ice Fairy faced against a ghostly infestation. But whatever happens to a certain Golden Bear, let us find out, shall we? Ooh. A few hours earlier. Freddy Fuckboy's Pizza.
Well, shit.
Well, shit. Indeed.
I just got my ass kicked by cute anime girls.
You just hate to see it, Golden Fred. Like, seriously.
Feel utterly ashamed. Where the fuck did they even come from anyway?
What the hell? PC-98, Reimu?
What the fuck? Another anime girl? What is going on here? Hello? She kind of looked like that girl in Red and White Familiar. Only smaller. And with a different color palette.
Yeah.
All of these strange people coming into our world. Could this be a sign that the very fabrics of time and space itself is shattering into pieces?
You know, regular Freddy had that same thought, there, Bucko, so...
That girl might know something about this. Guess I better go after her and ask.
Well, how about we go and ask next time, because it's we're ending the episode right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Standing here, I realize you are just like me, trying to make history. But who's to judge the right from wrong? When our guard is down, I think we'll both agree that violence breeds violence. But in the end, it has to be this way.